Testing of HGN12 air circuit breaker. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add the 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the air circuit breaker manually. Then we trip the ACB with the help of the UV tree. Afterwards, we perform a short time delay test and we see that the air circuit breaker trips almost instantly. Lastly, we perform a long time delay test and after about 15 seconds, the ACB trips. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.